Hey y'all, this is Ardell with CK Design coming on to show you how to create a website in Beacons. So if you already have your LinkedIn bio created, you can now create your website. It'll be easier for you to add your products. So let's get started. So the first thing that you would want to do is you want to click on New Website. And templates that you can choose from. Okay. You have options. You can start from scratch, or you can use any of these templates that's on here. Okay. There's quite a few, so they're all trying to load at this moment. You can, okay. So you can see the different ones here. It just depends on what style that you are looking for. So we're going to go back up to the top. And I'm going to select a storefront. Okay, so you want to click Use Template. And then that's going to load up. Okay, so after you select your template, if you want to add a logo, you can do so. So you're going to click here. You see where this is a logo here? Click on that. You want to upload your image. Upload an image. Find your logo. And just remember that the dimensions for this logo has to be 200 by 200 pixel. 200 by 200 pixel. Okay, so I'm going to choose my logo. I'll let it load, and there's my logo. Okay, you with me? Okay, the next thing we want to do is we want to change this background. You have options. You can change it to an image, or you can change it to a color. Okay, I don't want the image. I want to do a color. Okay, but if you wanted it to be an image like you see here, the dimensions have to be 1920 by 1080 pixel. Okay, that's 1920 1920 by 1080. 1920 by 1080 pixel. Okay, so I don't want it, so I am going to delete it. Okay, so now that I've deleted that, I am going to go to design. I'm going to click on color. I want color 1 to be, I've already selected what I want. So you see that I wanted color 1 to be gold. I already had it here in my palette. So color 1 is gold, color 2 is black, color 3 is white. Okay. You can choose any color. There are colors here that you can select from if you would like to, or you can pick your own colors, okay? So I picked my own colors. So the next thing we want to do is we want to change the heading, okay? We're going to change the heading. So I want this to say, let's see. Welcome to CK Design. Yeah, I think we'll go with that. Welcome to CK Designs. Okay. And I think I'm going to give it a subheading as well. Okay, so this is going to be my subheading. You can change the size of the heading if you choose. So right now it is large. Now this is what it looks like: small, medium, extra small, but we're going to keep it at large. Oh, and there's extra large. Whoa, that's big. Okay, so we're going to go back to large. My subheading, this is my subheading. Discover high quality PLR products, GPTs, clip art, and prompt guides to elevate your creativity in business. Discover high quality PLR products, GPTs, clip art, and prompt guides to elevate your creativity in business. Okay. I don't need this shop now, so we're going to get rid of that. And just like that, it's gone. Okay. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to go up here to section. You're going to click on the section button. We're going to click add hero. Okay. Now this section right here is going to be the first thing your customer sees when they land on your website. Okay, so it's usually a large area at the top of the page, and this area is supposed to grab the attention. And it also should give a quick overview of what your site is about. Okay, so you can think about it as an introduction. Okay, so you can just, this could be like your introduction to your website. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to change the setting. I mean, not the setting, the heading. We're going to scroll up. So this is your heading here. My heading is going to be about CK Designs. Okay. Are you with me? You still with me? Okay. Now your subheading, I'm not going to have a subheading, so I am going to get rid of that. So you're going to come over and remove your subheading. Okay. I don't need to get started, nor do I need to learn more. So we're going to get rid of all of that. Okay, great, great, great. Okay. So now I want this to be white, okay? Right now it's the same color as this. I want it to be white. Okay, and also you can change the layout if you want to. So you see, if you want it this way, or you can choose it that way. You have several options, but we're going to go back and keep it here. I'm going to go to design. I'm going to go to this palette area under style, the drop down, and change it to C. You see how that changed that to white? Okay. So this image here, I want to, oh, let me go back to content. I want to change this image right here. I don't want that image there, and I want to change it. So we're going to click here. Now, this image here has to be 800 by 600 pixel, okay? 800 by 600 pixel. So let's go and select what we want to add here. Okay. Like that. You have options. You can do custom 1x1, 1x1, 3x2, 16x19. We're going to keep it as this. So I like this here. Okay. Like that. Okay. Looking good so far. Okay. Looks good, looks good. Let's check everything. All right, all right. So next we want to add content. We want to add some information in here about CK Designs. So I'm going to go to Add Section, Content. I don't need 2 columns. So right now it has 2 columns. You got column 1, column 2. I only need 1 column. So I'm going to delete column 2. Okay. Click delete column 2. Okay. So now I want to add the information here about CK Design. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the dots here. You see these row of dots here? You're going to click on it. And you're going to add your information here. Okay. Like that. Okay. You with me? All right. Rewind it again if you missed something. Okay. Okay. So looky. Okay, so I want to change this here. Okay, so click on the words because it falls right under this area here. So I don't want it to be black. I want it to kind of flow together. So let's see, we're going to go to design and we're going to change it to C. So now it's all white. It's all cohesive. Okay. Moving right along. Okay. Now I want this to fall up under, and you can move it. Okay. You can move it. Just click on it and drag it wherever you want to go. Okay. I want mine to go right here. Okay. Now you got to bring the words too. Okay. So bring the words with it. Drag it on up. Like so, like that. Okay. Now, this right here is a section 2. You can do whatever you want to do with it. I don't want it. Okay. Go back there. You see, got all that in there. Okay. We don't want that, right? So what you do to get rid of that section there is delete it. And now it's gone. Okay. It's gone. Now I showed y'all how to put your logo up there, but I didn't want my logo, but I just wanted to show you how to do it. So that's why you see that it's gone now. Plus my logo was gold, the same gold that's here. So you won't be able to see it. Okay. So that's that part. Now let's get to the fun part. Let's add to our store. Let's add some items to our website. Okay. So we're going to click on this section here and we're going to change out this here, this section. So we're going to make this heading. So I'm going to add my PLR products here. So we're going to change the name. Okay. And then we're going to also give it a subtitle. You still with me? Are y'all with me? Okay. So look at my sections. I have my heading here and I have a subheading text. Okay. Just telling them what it is and just telling them a little more information. Okay. Now, the good part here is you can add your products that you already have in your LinkedIn bio. Okay. So let me show you how. So hit select products. Now, since this is the PLR product section, I'm only looking for my PLR. Okay. That's all I'm looking for to add at this moment. Okay, so you go and you find all your PLRs. Okay. And you add your products. And just like that, your products are there. Okay. Your products are there. See, I have 4. Okay. Now, you see where this says learn more? If you wanted to say learn more, that's fine. I am going to say, I'm going to say, by now. Okay. And I'm going to say that all across for all of them. All right. So you do have to go in and copy, paste it. Okay. Copy and paste it. Copy and paste it. All right. That section is done. Okay. Now we have another section. So on this one, this is going to be my other items that I have in my store. So I'm going to go to explore. I mean, not explore. My heading is called Explore Our Collection. And then my subheading is going to be called and keep in mind that you can change this to fit your brand, okay? Colors, font, size, font type. You can change all that to fit your brand. So keep that in mind. I'll take this out. Okay. All right. Okay. So now I want to select my other items. Okay. So you go to select products. And I'm selecting everything that was not a PLR. Okay. Everything that was not a PLR. So I'm just going through and I'm checking the boxes here. And I'm moving on to this one, and this one, and this one. Okay. And add products. And there they are. Now, the good thing is, you see how I added my subheading text and it did not show up here? Turn it on. It was turned off. Okay, turn it on. Okay. Now, again, you can change all this that says learn. Okay. I'm gonna say, we're gonna just say, I think this is a freebie. Is that the freebie? Yeah. Free. Okay. And then with these, you can say access now. Exclamation mark. Copy. Copy. You can say access now by now. I want to do that way. And then I want to go here. Oh, not but. Right now. Okay. Whatever you prefer. There's no right or wrong way. It's your way. It is your way. Forgot that one. If you want to give it a description, you can. I decided I was not going to do that. Okay, are y'all with me? This is really easy. Okay, now You can rearrange this however you choose to. Say, for instance, I want all of my DBA stuff. I want all of it to be together. So we're going to move it on up. With the other DBA. Okay. And then I'm going to move this. Just like that. I may make a section for just free, but not in this tutorial. Okay. So now I have all my DBAs together and my DDS right here. Look at that. They all say buy now, free, buy now, buy now. Okay. Now, if you have a YouTube channel and you want to add some of your YouTube videos here, you can do that too. Okay. So you want to click on this area here, scroll up to the top. You want to give it a heading. Let's give it a heading. So this heading is going to say learn with CK Design. Okay, that's going to be my heading. Okay, and then my subheading is this. Okay, now you see the buttons are gray. They're not turned on. So you can't see what I put up here. Select it and it turns it on for you. Okay, great. So next you want to add your YouTube link. Okay, so let me add my YouTube link. See it over there. Okay. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to add it here. Add. Bam! It puts it there for me. You see that? Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Now I need to grab this here. I need to grab the title. Okay. Welcome. No, I take that back. I'm not grabbing the title. Just grabbing the video. I apologize. I don't grab the title. Just grab the video. So then you go and do your next video. So I'm going to go to my next video. This one. Okay. I was right. I was right. Okay, go back. Go back, girl. Go back. I clicked too fast. Go back. Okay, done there. Okay. And then I need to go back to this one and edit and put what the video is. Okay, I thought I was losing my mind for a minute. So if you don't mind, follow me on YouTube, CK Design. I have 1 subscriber. All right. And done. And you would do that for all the videos that you want to do. Okay. So I can delete all these. Okay. So you with me? Okay, sorry for that. I left something on the stove. Okay. So we got that done. We got that done. Now, newsletter. I'm not doing a newsletter, but I do want you to subscribe. Okay. So I'm going to change that to subscribe. Okay. Got my email in there. That would just be black. Let that be black. I think I had this as white. Don't this white? Let's make this white. Okay. You see, if you go to design and change your palette, it changes how it looks. Okay. So this is A, B, C. And we're going to go with C. Okay. We're going to go with C. This section here, I don't need it. I'm not going to add anything there, but you can use it for whatever you choose to. But since I do not need it, I'm going to delete it. Okay. And as you add more items to your LinkedIn bio, you can now add them to your website. And that's all, guys. That is it in a nutshell. I think that was pretty easy. So now you have your website all made up and you can share your link. All you have to do next is hit publish, but I already have one created, so I will not hit publish, but I wanted to show you guys how easy it is to go ahead and create that website. Go ahead and create your website. Get it done, get it done, get it done. The only thing I did not like, or maybe I don't know where it's at, you still have to purchase one item at a time. I didn't see a cart or anything. So it still looks like you have to do it one at a time. But I did reach out to Beacon to see if there was a way. I know if you have, if I'm not mistaken, if you have like another e-commerce store that you can link it. I think like Shopify was one of them that you can link it. And you probably will be able to, do a shopping cart, but so far I haven't been able to find it. So simple, easy. I didn't need one that was just extravagant. I just need something quick and straight to the point. Hopefully this helps someone out. If there's anything else that you are interested in seeing, please let me know. Don't forget, you can follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and YouTube. All CK Designs, okay? It's under CK Designs. And that's designs with a Z. Dezigns. Okay, guys, I look forward to seeing you and telling you about my other products that I do add to my store. So yeah, stay tuned. Subscribe. because I will be giving away some free stuff on here, whether it be prompt guides or a PLR, or maybe even a digital image. Okay, I got some things that I am working on currently. But yeah, you see how easy that was? That was so easy. Like, I mean, come on. That was easy. Y'all can do it. Rewind, pause, take notes, whatever you need to do. All right, guys. Have a good evening. God bless you.